Just a little behind the scenes on these Norton Commando motorcycle parts. All the fixtures and jigs that must be made up every time a different bike comes in. It's some pretty ugly looking stuff, but to ensure that we can get all edges and corners and not have stuff flying around on wires hanging from ceilings in the spray booth, we make all these fixtures and jigs to ensure that we can get a nice paint job. Just going around here, I had a couple sand throughs on my what was going to be final prime. I've got into some bare steel, so what you see here, the dark color, is an etch primer to ensure adhesion. I'll do one more 2K prime over top of this now, nice and wet. I won't have to block it this time. I can probably just kind of color sand it a little bit, seal up everything nice, and then we'll start adding colors here.